Okay, raise your right hand and promise me something. I, say your name, promise to read contracts before I sign them. Great. Good. You really need to do that. And since you're going to start doing that, I'm going to tell you 4 things to look out for before signing a contract. Because if you're going to read it, you got to know what to look out for. I'm Maria Spear-Allis, lawyer for personal brands and online businesses, and this is the Spear IP Show. Thing you have to look out for when you're signing a contract is, does this contract say what everyone's responsibilities are? Usually someone is providing something like a service and the other person is providing money, payment. Those are each responsibilities. We can get deeper into the nitty-gritty of what those responsibilities are though. Coaches might want to make sure that their clients are obligated to communicate with them in whatever frequency they want. Weekly, daily, whatever it is. A graphic designer offering a VIP day might want their client to have the responsibility of being on call during that VIP day so they can discuss things that allows the VIP day to happen. All of these things are responsibilities. Okay, next. Does the contract say who owns what? You knew I was going to talk about IP, didn't you? Worksheets, videos, graphic designs. These are all deliverables that can be exchanged in a working relationship. So especially if you are providing the service, you want to be crystal clear on who owns what. And that sometimes means who doesn't own what. Number 3, does it say what happens if someone wants to cancel or terminate the agreement? Yeah, it happens. So you really should agree on a protocol that you both have to follow if someone wants to cancel or terminate. How's money going to be handled? How are refunds going to be handled? How about deliverables? Would you have to deliver a draft, or should you expect a draft to be delivered to you even if the contract doesn't reach its fulfillment? Gotta discuss them. Gotta make sure they're in that contract. And finally, number 4, indemnification. Indemnification is a fancy legal word for repaying or maybe refunding, but more so repaying someone if damage occurs. In other words, if I am damaged because of something you did in our contractual relationship, indemnification says you have to pay me for the damage that I suffer because you acted the way you did, or you breached the contract, or whatever it is. And there's mutual indemnification that says basically this works both ways. If I breach and you suffer damage, I pay you. If you breach and I suffer damage, you pay me. So look for indemnification too. And if it's appropriate, insist on that mutual indemnification. So there you go. You've got responsibilities, you've got who owns what, you've got cancellation, and you've got indemnification. So look out for those 4 things before signing your next contract, since you're going to be reading those contracts now. Hope that helps, and I'll see you next time. Head to spear-ip.com/quiz. The quiz will help you to find that one legal blind spot that is secretly killing your business. Not only will it find it, it'll tell you how to fix it. Again, that's spear-ip.com/quiz.